Hi there, and welcome to Smells Like Home Cooking, where we show you our favourite foolproof recipes for you to try at home. Today we're making this lovely black bean chilli in the pressure cooker. You're going to need 2 tins of drained black beans, 2 tins of chopped tomatoes, 2 large onions chopped up, 4 garlic cloves chopped up, 3 tablespoons of sweet paprika, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, 3 tablespoons of cider vinegar, 3 tablespoons of ground cumin, and a couple of cubes of dark chocolate. We start by frying the onions in a couple of tablespoons of olive oil. Next we add the garlic and fry it until almost softened. Then add the paprika, or you can use chili powder if you prefer, and the cumin. Fry these for a few minutes and enjoy that lovely smell that you get from those heated spices. Next we go in with the brown sugar and the cider vinegar. Shortly followed by the tomatoes. The final thing at this stage is just to add a bit of seasoning. So pop the lid on, bring it up to a high pressure, and then cook for 10 minutes. After that it should look like this. Now we get to actually add the black beans to our black bean chilli, and I add some dark chocolate as well, just to give a bit more depth of flavour, but that's totally optional. Stir it all together and then simmer for 10 minutes until it's nice and thick. Check the seasoning and adjust if needed, but that's it, all done. You can serve it with any toppings you like. I've got avocado, sour cream and cheese with some rice. Well, I hope you enjoyed that recipe. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you again soon on Smells Like Home Cooking.